get that thing off your head, please.
Thank you.
Coley will be mad.
Well, let Coley be the queen of crazy crowns. I don't care.
I can hear you.
Well, look at you, Miss Everything. Where's your tiara?
How Christian of you to ask. Is that any way for a wannabe preacher's wife to talk?
Oh, you know I'm speaking the truth. You have been the queen of everything. And I say it with love.
Well, I say this with love. This needs more red wine.
Hey, have you talked to Pastor Hot Rod?
Well, just, text messages. But it's good. We both decided that we should focus on the task at hand, and he doesn't want me to worry.
He doesn't want her getting her hopes up, is what he's really saying.
Coley, don't say that. I think it's like watching a romance novel come to life.
Oh, look! The president of South Carolina is here on official business. Where's your briefcase? Y'all look like y'all are off to a United Nations summit.
Falling in love is just the most amazing thing. Are you and Pastor gonna have a big wedding?
What? No.
Can I be in it?
Oh, of course. You can be the waitress.
Don't jinx it.